come back as a line. Trying different lipstick.
You guys have one of your new batteries in you because your other one died. Good morning. I need to eat. I need to go to the post office. And I need to get to the store. Because I gotta buy things. Watch, I won't get to the post office. That's what will happen. I won't get to the post office. I know it. Cleaning out my junk email. Yeah. That's how I'm rolling. I know I don't take you usually out when I'm in this Walmart, but all I can think about is a bunch of drunk homeless people. That's all I can think about with that one. No one's around my lunches. I can get food. Yes. I was over here a second ago and someone was just standing in front of this. So, what am I going to eat for lunch this week? I'm being very careful and checking the dates on the sandwiches because I got a couple last week, a couple weeks ago. They were outdated and I didn't know until I went to work. They don't even have the one anymore. Oh, they're out of it. Okay, that's 3 lunches. 2 more. Oh, they have a honey ham. It's just down here. And it's good. Okay. One more. I'm thinking the pizza one. Can I find it? Can I find it? Can I find it? Yes, I eat Lunchables for lunch. Because they're fast and easy. That's why. I'm going to find my mom. I know I haven't vlogged really. Bless you. Bless you. A lot today. Bless you. You got the sniffles? You got cold? You do? You want me to stay at home with you tomorrow? Hmm? No. You just want love now. He's been laying in my bed all day practically. I know I haven't vlogged a lot today. Nothing exciting. I did not go to the post office because by the time I got back from the store it was afternoon and the post office closes at noon on Saturday. Yeah. So no post office today. Probably Monday. That's when I'll go. I love you, kitty cat. I love you. Yes, I love you so much. Oh, you take the loves. You take the loves. I know you do. He's so happy with the loves, and I got him some wet food so he'll stop stealing kitties. Hopefully. Before I forget, Kevin Bacon Challenge. 4 names this week. Peter Facinelli, Kate Beckinsale, Christian Bale, and Emma Stone. Peter Facinelli. I tried to look and see if there was any other way I could connect him besides this. But basically, Peter Facinelli is in the Twilight movies with Billy Burke. Billy Burke was on an episode of Closer with Kara Sedgwick. Kara Sedgwick is married to Kevin Bacon. Kate Beckinsale. Kate Beckinsale. There has to be more than one way to connect her than the way I'm going to connect her. Wait, can I connect her that way? What? What do you want? What? Oh, do you want love? Okay. I know. I should have looked up more ways to connect Kate Beckinsale. Oh, I can do it that way. I think. Why are you licking my hand? Can I do it that way? Yeah, I can do it that way. I'll go that way. Kate Beckinsale is in Underworld movies with Martin Michael Sheen. She also has a kid with him. Michael Sheen. I'm not going to do the whole Billy Burke. I'm going to take it longer. Was in Twilight movies with... Oh, what was his name? Are you licking my foot? What was the name? The guy that played Caius. I forget what his name is. The guy that played Caius. He was in the Harry Potter movies, the last ones. He played Grindelwald with Alan Rickman. Alan Rickman was in Love Actually with Keira Knightley. Keira Knightley was in the Pirates movies with Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp was in Sleepy Hollow with Christopher Walken. Christopher Walken was in Hairspray with Queen Latifah, who was in Beauty Shop with Kevin Bacon. I think that's more than 6. Beckinsale, Sheen, Charlie something or other, Rickman. Yeah, it's more than 6, but I don't care. I'm not doing the 6 thing. Christian Bale. Christian Bale is in The Dark Knight with Heath Ledger. Heath Ledger was in The Grimm Brothers with Matt Damon. Matt Damon was in... Oh, shit. Matt Damon was in... Ocean movies with George Clooney, who is in Batman and Robin with Alicia Silverstone, who was in Beauty Shop with Kevin Bacon, and Emma Stone. Emma Stone. There are several ways to do Emma Stone. This is the way I'm doing it. Emma Stone was in Superbad with Michael Cera. Michael Cera was in Juno with J.K. Simmons. J.K. Simmons plays Pope on The Closer with Keira Sedgwick, who's married to Kevin Bacon. I could have also went with Emma Stone is in Superbad with Michael Cera and Jonah Hill. So I could have went through Matt Damon, through Brad Pitt, George Clooney, Alicia Silverstone to Kevin Bacon, or Michael Cera to Ellen Page. Ellen Page was in X-Men movies with Hugh Jackman. Hugh Jackman was in X-Men First Class with Kevin Bacon. There are several ways to do that one. Yeah. There's another way I can do it too. I can't remember it off the top of my head. Shoot. I can't remember. It'll come back to me. But that's all the time I have. So I have to go to bed in half an hour because we lose an hour's sleep and I need all the sleep I can have. So I'm going to wipe off today and call it a day and go to bed and start work up again. I work for the next 4 days and then I have Thursday off and then Friday and then I have Saturday off. Maybe Friday I'm going to do something. I don't know. Hopefully sometime this week I'm going to mail my package. I've just talked for like 3-4 minutes. I don't know. My cat wants out. So yeah, good early night because I'm going to get some sleep. I need lots of it. Lots of it. Good night.
I'd get to wear the pants, making all the decisions, asking girls to dance, yeah.